Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving into one of the most monumental medical breakthroughs of our time. Imagine a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence, where your own immune system fights back against cancer cells. Well, Russia has announced something extraordinary, an mRNA-based cancer vaccine that will be distributed for free starting in 2025. This isn't just science fiction, it's happening. Stick around because we're unpacking every detail, step by step, to help you understand how this revolutionary vaccine works, why it matters, and how it compares to similar efforts worldwide. So, what exactly is this vaccine? Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent diseases, this one is designed to treat cancer patients. Developed by top scientists in Russia, this mRNA vaccine uses genetic material derived from a patient's own tumor. The goal? To train the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. This groundbreaking project is spearheaded by institutions like the Gamaleya National Research Center and the Radiology Medical Research Center under the Ministry of Health. And guess what? It's going to be free for all Russian citizens. Yes, free. That's a huge step forward in making life-saving treatments accessible to everyone. Let's break it down. To understand how this vaccine works, we need to talk about how mRNA vaccines function. Unlike traditional vaccines that introduce a weakened or dead virus into the body, mRNA vaccines take a completely different approach. They deliver a snippet of genetic material, messenger RNA, that provides instructions to your cells. Think of it as a recipe card handed to your cells, telling them how to make specific proteins, called antigens, that are found on the surface of cancer cells. Once these antigens are produced in your body, they act like wanted posters for your immune system. Your immune cells recognize these proteins as a threat and launch a full-scale attack on any cells displaying them. That is, the cancer cells. Imagine your body is a fortress. Cancer cells are like enemy spies sneaking in unnoticed. The mRNA vaccine is like giving the guards, your immune system, a detailed map of the enemy's location and appearance. Now the guards know exactly where to strike. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. This vaccine isn't one size fits all. It's personalized, meaning it's custom-made for each patient. Scientists take a sample of your tumor, analyze its unique genetic markers, and use that information to create a tailored vaccine. But here's the catch. Creating such a vaccine is extremely complex. Without advanced technology, it can take months to produce. That's where artificial intelligence, AI, comes in. According to Alexander Ginsberg, Russia is leveraging neural networks to speed up the process. AI reduces the time required for designing the vaccine to just 30 minutes to an hour. Incredible, right? Let's talk about why this breakthrough is so significant for Russia. Over 635,000 new cancer cases were reported in Russia in 2022 alone. The most common types? Colon, breast, and lung cancer. These diseases are not just statistics. They're stories of families fighting battles every day. This vaccine brings hope. Preclinical trials show that it not only suppresses tumor growth, but also prevents metastasis, the spread of cancer to other parts of the body. This could be a game changer. Russia isn't the only country working on mRNA cancer vaccines. In the United States, researchers at the University of Florida recently tested a similar personalized vaccine for glioblastoma, a highly aggressive brain cancer. The results were promising. Patients' immune systems responded within just 2 days. Over in the United Kingdom, scientists are trialing a vaccine for melanoma, the deadliest form of skin cancer. Early findings suggest that survival rates are improving. And let's not forget companies like Moderna, Merck, BioNTech, and CureVac. They're also in the race to develop personalized mRNA vaccines. The competition is fierce, but the ultimate winners are the patients. Before we move on, let's quickly revisit what makes mRNA technology so revolutionary. You might already know about it from the COVID-19 vaccines. But unlike those, which targeted a single protein, the spike protein of the virus, cancer mRNA vaccines go after multiple antigens. This multi-target approach increases the chances of the immune system successfully destroying cancer cells. Plus, it reduces the likelihood of the cancer developing resistance, a major problem with traditional treatments like chemotherapy. So, what's the big picture here? Russia's breakthrough isn't just about fighting cancer, it's about transforming how we approach treatment. If successful, it could pave the way for similar initiatives worldwide, making personalized medicine the norm rather than the exception. Of course, challenges remain: production costs, scaling up the technology, and ensuring equitable access. But the fact that this vaccine will be free for Russian citizens is a bold statement about the power of public healthcare. This is a story of hope, innovation, and collaboration across borders. Cancer is a disease that touches almost every family in some way. With advances like these, we're one step closer to a world where cancer is no longer the devastating diagnosis it once was. What do you think about this breakthrough? Could this be the start of a new era in cancer treatment? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Knowledge Chronicle. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge science and medicine. Your support helps us create even more impactful content. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.